Our ancestors understood something the modern world forgot: that care is ceremony, and beauty is remembrance. Melanated skin isn't dry, it's living. It responds differently. It needs deeper hydration, intentional nourishment, and rituals made for us. But today, most products weren't created with our skin in mind. They guess, they generalize, and they miss what makes our glow ours. That's why we created the Melanated Rose Glow Quiz. Not to sell you something, but to guide you back to the ritual your skin has been asking for. In just a few questions, we listen to your skin, your needs, your rhythm, and we match you with the ritual kit designed to restore your glow. This is where your ritual begins. Take the glow quiz. Let your skin be seen.